The Port Washington Garden Club presents Garden Walk 2024, an easy park your car and stroll to the gardens. 6 stunning gardens featuring annuals, perennials, shrubs, water features, container gardens, and a miniature railroad garden too. Proceeds from the Garden Walk fund community projects and horticulture scholarships at UW-Madison and at MATC. This year's Garden Walk is Saturday, July 13th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Tickets are available online and at each of the gardens during the Garden Walk. Get all aboard for the Port Washington Garden Walk 2024. For more information, visit portgardenclub.org.